Alright guys, this is Chris again. So now we have this 2020 Chevy Traverse. Beautiful Traverse. This is under the Yukon, which I like the body style better. In this case we did a full Excel IRP as well. So this one has a nano ceramic as well, including windshield. So we did 35% on the front windshield, which is medium, 15 which is dark on the front driver and passenger side, and we throw 15 on top of the factory as well, so we don't want limo. They still want to have better visibility looking out at night. So like always, we show the inside. So there it goes. That's how the material look inside looking out. So again, this one has this stained glass in the rear half, which is the factory tint, so we throw dark on top of the factory. So that's why on the outside it's gonna look a little bit more darker in the back. So there it goes. This is 35%, which is medium on the front windshield. So you guys can see how clear the material look like. You guys can give us a call. We can do quotes over the phone. You guys can come to the store as well if you guys want to. We'll be more than happy to help you with any questions. Like I told every customer, you guys don't have to do with us, but we'll be more than happy to give you the info that you guys need, so you guys can make a better decision in your purchase. All right guys, thank you, have a good day.